Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix iPhone stuck on a spinning wheel black screen. You count on your iPhone in all aspects of your life, from checking your calendars and emails to watching videos and playing games. But when you find an iPhone stuck on black screen with spinning wheel, it brings your life to a halt. Usually, this often occurs during the process of doing a shutdown, an update, or a factory reset. All you see is the spinning gear circling repeatedly, which seems to never stop. Here's a breakdown of what causes the spinning wheel of death on an iPhone and how you can quickly get back up and running. There are a few reasons why there is a constant spinning circle on your iPhone and you can't reboot or turn it back on successfully. First of all, your phone should be almost full of storage. It doesn't have enough space to run the boot up settings. Thereafter, you finally get the iPhone spinning wheel of death. Secondly, the power is so low that the iPhone doesn't boot iOS properly but gets stuck on a black screen with a white spinning wheel. Thirdly, your iPhone runs into random software glitches. Some users are claiming that they see the iPhone spinning wheel after unlock and the device runs normally all the time before. Fourthly, you might also see that the iPhone keeps going to black screen with spinning wheel after a recent software update or a reset. Indeed, iOS updates are sometimes littered with bugs that make the device screen stuck on the spinning gear. Finally, hardware damage is also a potential culprit. Think about if you've ever fallen down the phone or exposed it to water before you get the black screen with a loading symbol on it. Now, follow me to learn how to fix iPhone black screen spinning wheel by trying the troubleshooting steps below. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods step by step, making it easy to fix iOS update glitches on iPhone. Besides, if you have any questions, write them down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Do a charge through a wall outlet. iPhone requires enough power to boot up the iOS and load the installed apps. If there is little power, like 3% battery left, it's possible to see your iPhone randomly show a black screen with a spinning wheel due to the quick battery draining. To solve it, plug your iPhone into a wall power outlet to do a full charge, which may take around 3 hours. Make sure to use a genuine Apple USB cable and power adapter. Usually, your iPhone will boot up by itself automatically when the battery is enough. If not, just press the power button until you see the Apple logo showing up on the screen. Now, see if you remove the stuck black screen spinning wheel and get the iPhone booting and running properly once again. Force turn off your iPhone, then turn it back on. When your iPhone isn't booting and shows a spinning wheel on a black screen, you can force it to turn off and then turn it back on with the volume and power buttons. You can quickly get it working again within just 1 or 2 minutes, without losing any essential data. Now, just follow the steps below. We've covered all the iPhone models. You can try a few times if it doesn't work the first time. If you're using an iPhone 8, iPhone 10, or later iPhone models, do this to force restart your device. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the volume down button and the side button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. If you're using iPhone 6s or older iPhone models, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the home button and the sleep or wake button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. Get out of the spinning wheel via recovery mode. iOS software is a crucial system that controls every operation of your phone. If there is an issue with the iOS system, everything that relies on it will crash. This can result in various issues, including the boot up getting corrupted and making the iPhone stuck on the loading screen. To remedy this problem, you'll need to put your phone into recovery mode and do an update or restore. Now, just follow the steps below. We've covered all the iPhone models. You can try a few times if it doesn't work the first time. Run iTunes or Finder on your computer. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to a computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and later models, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the side button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier models, press and hold the home button and the side, or top, button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, iTunes or Finder will detect it and prompt you to update or restore your device. Now, when you see this dialog box on your computer, start by clicking the update option. Wait for the update process to complete. Maybe 1 hour, maybe 3 hours. Thereafter, your device will boot up without showing the spinning wheel black screen again. Then, disconnect your iPhone from the computer and you should be able to use it as normal again. Don't get down if your iPhone screen remains stuck on spinning wheel. There is a fix for you, which is to use the restore option, which means bringing the device back to its factory settings. We suggest only factory resetting your device after you try the steps above, as it will erase everything. Also, confirm that you've backed up your information and saved all necessary files, so you don't lose anything vital. How to restore your iPhone via recovery mode. It's almost the same as the steps before to do an update via recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to a computer and run iTunes or Finder. Put your device into recovery mode. Then, from the iTunes or Finder window, choose Restore and follow the on-screen instructions to restore it to its factory settings. After the restore is complete, your iPhone should restart and prompt you to go through the initial setup process. Follow the setup assistance to set up your device. Seek help from Apple experts. Before you reach this step, you'd better try all the solutions that have been mentioned above, including the method to reset your iPhone when the spinning wheel is stuck. All of them aim to eliminate software-related problems that could cause the issue. If you meet with a more critical problem, for example, getting a spinning wheel iPhone top left, then the culprit might be the hardware. In such cases, go to an Apple storage in search of repair to fix a stuck spinning wheel on an iPhone. Make sure to see if your iPhone is still covered by an Apple Care plan or Apple's limited warranty. If it is, then the repair might be free, or it'll be at your expense. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone with a black screen and spinning wheel. We sincerely hope that the troubleshooting steps we've shared have been effective in resolving your issue. Remember, if you ever encounter any issues with your iPhone or any other device, don't hesitate to seek help in Cora Radar. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.